tough Dixie Dan, who came up from Mobile way. When he saw he was beaten, he said that I was cheating. His gun quickly pushed the cards away. As I heard the bullet scream, an old gent stepped between. He looked up and smiled and died. And tattooed on his arm I saw a good luck charm. The words were deuce is wild. Deuce is wild, deuce is wild, became my way to play the game. Cut a card, play it hard, making myself a name. Up and down the river, looking all the while for a man who plays poker with deuces. Whoa.
Home of the 1 minute weather.